Hello children, welcome to Spark Physics by Ashish Sharma sir, the easy and simple way to learn the concept of physics. I have come with a new video, that is mutual induction. We have already discussed self-induction. Please watch the previous video to have confidence on it. Let's see mutual induction. Okay, so here you can see I have already written the definition. The phenomena of production of induced EMF in one coil ड्यू टू चेंज ऑफ करंट इन द नेबरिंग कॉइल. हम यहाँ दो कॉइल लेंगे. म्यूचुअल वर्ड इटसेल्फ सजेस्ट कि एक कॉइल है, दूसरी कॉइल है. हमने प्राइमरी कॉइल, जो पहली कॉइल होती है उसको हम प्राइमरी कॉइल बोलते हैं, जहाँ पर हम करंट देने वाले हैं, और जहाँ पर करंट इंड्यूस होगा दैट इज कॉल्ड सेकेंडरी कॉइल. ओके, तो पहले हमने करंट दिया प्राइमरी कॉइल में, देन यू विल फाइंड देयर इज फ्लक्स चेंज इन द secondary coil, and because of which you will have the induced EMF or the induced current. For this I have made the diagram. You see this red color here, it is shown as the primary coil. This dotted line gives you the secondary coil. जब हम key को close करेंगे, you will find current will flow in this direction, and depending upon the phase of the coil, there will be change in the flux in the secondary coil linked with, and there will be change in the flux linked with the secondary coil, and when there is change in the flux, you know the current is induced. So in the secondary coil you will find current is induced. तो जब आपने की को क्लोज करेंगे तो करंट इंक्रीज होगा, फ्लक्स इंक्रीज होगा. So the direction of current induced in the secondary coil will be such that it will oppose the cause, that is the direction of current in the primary coil. And when the key is opened, you will find that the current is reduced, flux change, that means the flux is decreased, so the EMF will be produced, induced, and current will be induced such that it will add the decrease in current, right? So the direction of the induced current will be opposite to it, and it was found that at any instant, we will be seeing now what is coefficient of mutual induction, that is called mutual inductance or simply the inductance. So at any instant you will see that the magnetic flux linked with the secondary coil is directly proportional to the current in the primary coil. जितना current आप देंगे primary coil में, उसी के हिसाब से magnetic flux change होगा secondary coil में. So phi b is directly proportional to I. Proportionality constant is m. This is called coefficient of mutual induction, or simply the mutual inductance or the inductance. Now we know, since EMF induced is equal to minus d phi by dt, Faraday's law से हमने किया है. So we can write E is equal to minus d by dt. Say if you write phi b, then this is mi. So we can write E is equal to minus m di upon dt. From here we will define mutual inductance. Now if we take di upon dt equal to 1, this will implies m is equal to minus of E. That means mutual inductance is numerically equal to the EMF induced when rate of change of current in the primary coil is unity. So we can say the mutual inductance of two coils is the induced EMF set up in one coil when the current in the neighboring coil changes at the unit rate. Di by dt is rate of change of current. Another way, from this equation, suppose equation 1, we can write from equation 1 we have phi b is equal to mi. If we take I is equal to 1, then m will be equal to phi b. So this is another way of defining mutual inductance, that it is numerically equal to the magnetic flux linked with one coil when unit current passes through the other coil. Hope both the definitions are clear to you. Now you see unit, it is Henry. जैसे हमने आपको self induction में बताया था, there also unit of self inductance is Henry. Here how we can define Henry? We have E is equal to minus m di by dt. If you take magnitude as m di by dt, m we can write E upon di by dt. If we take E is equal to 1 volt, rate of change of current 1 ampere per second, then we can get M is equal to 1 Henry. We can define like mutual inductance is said to be 1 Henry when unit rate of change of current in one coil induces EMF of 1 volt in the other coil. Okay, so this is what the basic idea of mutual induction. Now we will see one more, we can say we will be finding the mutual inductance of the coaxial coils. एक coil के ऊपर दूसरा coil हमने लगा के रखा है and we will be finding that what is the mutual inductance of the coil. So don't forget to see the video till the end to understand the next concept. Now we will take mutual inductance of coaxial solenoids, two long coaxial solenoids. Okay, for which I have made the diagram. We have taken the two solenoids S1 which I have made with the red color and S2 which is the green, which is coaxial, means one over the other one. Radius of the inner solenoid is R1, outer solenoid is R2. Length of the solenoids we have taken L, and current in S2 is I2 and current is S1 is I1. Okay. When we talk about the area of cross section, it is say pi R1 of the inner solenoid. हम केवल inner solenoid का area क्यों लेते हैं? It is very important. Why we don't take the R2? Because you will find जब यदि मान लीजिए हम current अंदर वाले solenoid में डाल रहे हैं, then obviously the flux linked with the inner solenoid, the same flux will be linked with the outer solenoid. Okay, so here you see, first we take the time varying current I2 pass through S2. हमने पहले time varying current I2 में pass किया. Obviously there will be magnetic flux setup inside the S2. S2 में magnetic flux setup होगा. कितना होगा? B2 is equal to mu n I. We have derived the equation in the magnetic effect of current. So the total flux linked with the inner solenoid. तो अंदर जो flux होगा inner वाले solenoid में वो कितना होगा? Phi is equal to flux we have B is into area. B into area. N1 is number of turns in the solenoid. ठीक है, सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दीजिए B2 की वैल्यू. We will get mu naught into I2. This is B, this is A, then N1. So mutual inductance of the coil 1 with respect to coil 2. म्यूचुअल इंडक्टेंस का डेफिनेशन हमने अभी देखा, फ्लक्स चेंज अपॉन करंट फाई अपॉन आई. चलिए तो रख दीजिए म्यू नॉट इनटू I2 AN1 अपॉन I2. दिस विल कैंसिल. वी आर लेफ्ट विथ M12 इक्वल टू म्यू नॉट इनटू AN1. This is mutual inductance of 1 with respect to 2. Now similarly we find out the flux linked with S2 due to current I1 in S1. अब हम पहले वाले solenoid में current flow करेंगे and we will see what is the flux change. Magnetic field वही होगा mu naught Ni, so N1 I1, phi is B into A into N2. Substitute value, this will give you mu naught N1 I1 A N2. Okay, this is flux change. Now after flux change what we will find? Mutual inductance. Therefore mutual inductance of coil 2 with respect to coil 1 or solenoid 1. So we will get M21 equal to phi 2 upon I1. We have got M mu naught N1 I1 A N2 upon I1. You cancel this. So M21 we are getting mu naught N1 A N2. N2 here, capital N1. अब आपके पास फॉर्मूला क्या क्या है? You know small n is number of turns per unit length. यदि ये हम सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दें तो वैल्यू कितनी मिलेगी आप देखो. M1, चलिए हम यहीं से ले लेते हैं. M21 you will get mu naught, this will be N2 upon L A, sorry this will be N1 A N2. so इसको हम लिख लें mu naught N1 N2 A upon L and M12 you see mu naught N2 we can write capital N2 upon L into A into N1. So this is again you are getting mu naught N1 into A upon L. देखिए M21 M12 दोनों सेम है, right? So therefore we can write M12 equal to M21. That means mutual inductance is equal to mu naught N1 into A upon L. This is mutual inductance of one solenoid over the other solenoid. Hope it is clear. So ultimately on what factors this depends? You can see it depends on number of turns of both the solenoids, area of cross section of the solenoid, length of the solenoid inversely proportional, and also it depends on the orientation of the solenoids. आपने solenoids को किस तरह से रखा है उस पर भी ये डिपेंड करता है, राइट? सो आई होप इट इज क्लियर. बहुत डिफिकल्ट नहीं है, एक ही स्टेप है. आप एक स्टेप याद रखेंगे कि पहले हमको मैग्नेटिक फील्ड देखना है, फ्लक्स देखना है, देन म्यूचुअल इंडक्टेंस देखना है, दैट इज फ्लक्स अपॉन करंट. Similarly, you have to apply for the other one. You will find both are same, right? Thank you for watching this video till the end. I will be coming with few more videos on more important topics of class 12. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Comment. Please share it to the maximum so that we will be getting more subscribers, which will be motivating me to bring more videos for you. I am sure ये सारे videos आपका confidence boost up करेंगे and आप बार बार देखिए, you will get the concept more clear. Thank you once again.